How to fix iMessage is not working on your iPad. So if you're unable to send or receive iMessages, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. Now the first thing you'll need to do is go and load up the settings on your iPad and then click on your profile name in the top left hand side of the screen. Now make sure you're signed in to an Apple account and make sure this is the same Apple account that you're signed into on your iPhone. Now once you've done this, you can scroll down to apps on the left hand side, scroll down again to messages and click on this. You can then scroll down to iMessage and make sure this is turned on and enabled, and then click on send and receive. Now make sure you have the correct Apple account selected for receiving and sending iMessages. If it's still not working, then you can click on your Apple account at the bottom, you can press sign out, and then you can try re-signing back into your Apple account, and sometimes that goes and fixes the issue. If it's still not working, then on the left hand side, scroll up to General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPad, press Reset, and then click on Reset Network Settings. You'll need to enter your iPad password in order to confirm these changes. Now once your network has been reset, you'll need to head back over to your Wi-Fi and you'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi connection. Once you've done that, you can go and open up the Messages app and you should now be able to send and also receive iMessages.